Hello everyone, and here for one more video, one more market update. I'm Philip, the crypto teacher, and let's get into action. Let's see why XRP is pumping so hard, and there is an explanation that's we're gonna talk about in this video, and I'll give you the best market update that I can give you at the moment, and I think it will be really helpful for you to understand in which phase of the cycle are we. So first thing for you to understand, I would like to explain something for you before we go to the charts. We haven't had the retail investors coming till now, okay? And that's a good news that I can give you, that retail is literally back. Before, we were having retail investors. What is retail investors, for you to understand it? It's people like me, like you, not institutions, not business, not companies, all right? Retail investors are average investors, people that they have 9 to 5 work, they have, sometimes they have one business, and they are making for a living like everyone else, okay? These are retail investors. They are not ventures capital, they are not huge investors. And a bull market, it's done by retail investors, all right? It's when everyone start talking about something. You can see laborers talking about it, waitress talking about it, not just as business people, but people that work in the streets, work in shops. This is our retail investors, all right? And when they come, I think it's the most beautiful sign of a bull market. And that's what I'm gonna talk to you about today, about behavior of retail investors and what can you see. I think people can see patterns, all right, in everything. Before, retail was not in. We had all these seasons that we had about Bitcoin reaching all-time highs, were driven by institutional investors as BlackRock, as Vanguard, and whatever else. And that's why the price was always there in Bitcoin, always aggressive, okay, because they were buying aggressive. But no signs at all, 2023, 2024, of retail coming back. Now, at the end of the 2024, we got some signs of meme coins. For me, was the first sign where retail was looking at crypto again. All right, the average investors who were looking at crypto again was when meme coins were skyrocketing. All right, and that's why this is one of the reasons. Uh, Retail investors were not coming to the general investors. They were not coming to, let's say, utility coins. They were coming for meme coins. I think a little bit because of gambling, and yeah, gamble is one of the biggest markets in our planet, in every country, all right, since since the past. And that's why we want to replicate this behavior in memes, where people wanna buy and yeah, have 10x, 20x, 100x maybe in weeks. And that's what I think what drives average investors to invest in meme coins. But now, what we had here, it was a huge pump of XRP, which I think is the biggest sign that retail investors are back. If you can see here in the XRP chart, I will make it easier for us. Okay, we can see that the last time that we had a pump like this one was in 2020, 2021. Yeah, 2021, the month of April, May, okay, was the last uh, breath of XRP. And now, and was at 90 billion market cap, the whole XRP. Okay, in a price ways. Let me go to a price ways here to make your life easy as well. Let's go Binance here, and yeah, there we go. So we have had here 1.9 as the highest price exactly in the month of April of 2021, and then just downhill, right? I think was one of the worst price actions ever in crypto. Okay, was literally 3 years of downtrend and sideways, which is really painful for whoever invests in. I think a sideways market, it's the worst one, and that's what was happening here in XRP. So lower high, lower high, lower high, that bear market, and then a little bit of signs here of uh, life, and then again accumulation again, and then here from 50 cents to 280 to 90. Okay, yeah, as the top. All right, which what I think here, it's like 4x in 1, 2, 3, 4 week, in 1 month. Okay, one candle, which is great for whoever was investing in XRP. But one of the explanations that I have here to give you, it's retail investors. They always come for projects that are in the market a little longer. All right, this is a pattern behavior of retail investors. They don't come for the innovative projects. They won't come in for AI. They won't be here in for let's say for things that are so new. No, this is later. All right, but the first buy, usually they ask about Cardano, about XRP, maybe Solana. All right, which is an option as well. I won't talk now about Ethereum and Bitcoin, but more Monero, sometimes they ask about it, and I believe this is one of the greatest signs that retail investors are back into the market. So for me, this one here is one of the biggest signs, because you can see that when we talk about the money flow. All right, and this is something that I wanna go through with you now. When we talk about the money flow, all right, we can see here that a lot of people that they were investing in XRP, looking to the court case, and that's nothing wrong with it. I'm not an XRP investor, right? I think we can allocate in these 3 years. I have allocated my money somewhere else, which was better. All right, than this here. But of course, here paid off. And yeah, whoever had a position, I have clients that had a huge position over here, and now they are happy. So congratulations for you who hold this. But what I want to go through with you here is this little thing, okay, which can save your time. Okay, I don't think things like this will play out really oftenly. Okay, I think in this case that we are right now about the money flow. First, Bitcoin was ripping off, all right, one of the best assets since 2022. So for you to have a out season, we have some steps, all right, which I think we are is not working like this in the cycle, right? It haven't been exactly like this, but I want you to get an idea about what happened. So when retail is back, first thing that start to happen are those large caps, all right, to blow off, and this is one of the signs. All right, of course we are still missing a Ethereum pump, which I think will happen next, because Ethereum haven't had a great ride in in this cycle. It's really underperforming Bitcoin, and yeah, but I still think we have room for Ethereum to run. But anyways, we got Solana running a lot, which is great, and now we got those old coins running, which I think it's a phase there we need to go if we want to have that crazy alt season where altcoins start to go up, and then even low caps start to run a lot. Okay, I think it's great for whoever is investing. There is no, I'm not a fan of old coins. I already told you, but in a way where you can see the money flowing into those large caps, and they will end up going to AI coins or meme coins. Okay, so that's why we that's how we think the market. I don't think sometimes people say that the last stage when rotate to meme coins. I don't think it's working like this. All right, this is things of the past. I think meme coins are when you see a good market now, meme coins are the first one to pump, and that's why retail average people, they're coming for old coins and meme coins. Okay, you can't run away from that, and that's what I think will happen. All right, uh, a out season is we are in a good way for a out season where everything is gonna pump. We could see that that week, and yeah, what happened actually, regardless fundamentals, will everything pumps when we go to an out season. You could see the same happening with Cardano, okay, which for me, I don't invest in Cardano as well, okay. So, but we also had a huge price action here, okay, from 30 cents to 130, okay. So 4x in Cardano for whoever was in this position. Same pattern of behavior. Uh, I think the interest of in average investors in those coins will grow, okay, and as it grow, for example, they will try to find other things to invest, and then that's when I think everything will start running. And yeah, that's why it's been pumping, okay, but Cardano didn't reach the levels of the last run. We can see also Solana is been performing really well, but XRP just switch now with Solana. But anyway, Solana has been performing wonderfully, and it's a real good project where we had a top here around 260. All right, as we happen with, it's really similar, the movement, it's really similar to Bitcoin, to be honest with you. And I think we still have some room to grow, to go with Solana. And about the correction now, I think we should correct, if we do, till here to 205, I think, till these levels over here. Okay, I think it's a good correction, and then it has potential to go up, straight up. You, as we can see here in the RSI, is not even oversold, all right, which is good, which is good. I think when we talk about top, the top always has this RSI on these very green levels, okay, which I'll go back to XRP, sorry, because I forgot to mention something here, and that's good for you. If you have a position in XRP, this is something you should have a look, because always when the XRP is overbought here, okay, it was assigned as a top, all right, since the last the last bull market. So yeah, here you can see that we are really overbought. And yeah, what's gonna happen? Literally, I don't know, but I believe that some corrections are coming. I'm not entering regardless, okay, of correction or not, but it's just an update for you, okay? And yeah, that's what I wanna go through with you in thesis here. I can see that retail is back. It's a bull market, no doubts about it. All right, it is a bull market. Bitcoin at 100K, it's a matter of time. All right, it's so close there. We have some selling walls protecting the price. I don't know why or what they're trying to do, but regardless, that will reach 10K, and I think we still have a room for let's say a year or a bit less to go. And if you are wondering to enter in the market now, yes, you can still write a good a good ride if you get the right positions. Okay, don't two things that I can tell you is avoid FOMO. All right, if you didn't buy XRP at the 0.3, why you're gonna buy for now for $3? Okay, so that's something that you should think. If you why people thinking buying right now, because they don't have a game plan. That's simple. All right, when you don't have a game plan, all the positions that I buy the positions when the pump happen. I'm already there. I don't need to consider to make a bigger position or even do something different, because I'm already there. Okay, when that happens, you must be there already. No rush, nothing. That's why you need a game plan. Okay, if you are wondering how to enter in crypto market, you can go also in my website, cryptoteacher.com.au, and of course, if you're happy, I can be your mentor. I can help you with it. But education is something that you need to look after before you do anything. Some people, they purchase, they lose, and then after they will go for education, or they just buy and randomly think, that's gonna go up, and doesn't happen like that. Sometimes happen, but it's in just a little bit of time frame of the market where everything goes up regardless, and rather than that, some the markets, it's ruthless. So you can also seek education, but of course you must have a game plan. You must stick to it. You don't chase pumps and be that person where XRP is going up now, let me buy Cardano, let me buy whatever is up. Doesn't, for me, doesn't make much sense. But yeah, you do whatever you want. So that's it. I think that's the market update that I would like to do with you. And yeah, I'll be back here in the next days for more market updates. So see you there. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share if you'd like to. See you.